These towers, the data centers, the robots, everything explained in this video. So first, watch this.
I expect to make two kinds of chips. One will be optimized for edge and inference, so that'll be used primarily in Optimus and in the cars, but especially in Optimus, because I expect the robots, humanoid robots, to be made 10 to 100 times more than the volume of cars. So, you know, if vehicle production on Earth is about 100 million vehicles a year, and I expect humanoid robot production to be somewhere between 1 billion and 10 billion units a year. So
he also said elsewhere he expects at least 5 times more humanoid robots than people. This isn't theory. This is Tesla's own CEO stating the number publicly. So here's the question nobody's asking. How do you coordinate, update, and manage a fleet that size? You don't do it with cables, you do it wirelessly, at scale, in real time, which means dense, low latency, high bandwidth network coverage everywhere those robots operate. That's exactly what 5G infrastructure was architected for. Not just phones, massive MIMO and network slicing are built specifically for device density. Thousands of connected machines per square kilometer, each getting a dedicated, prioritized slice of bandwidth. This isn't a maybe. This is the documented technical spec sheet for 5G's actual design purpose, machine-to-machine communication at scale. So, the build-out we're seeing isn't just about your phone getting faster TikTok loads. If Musk-owned projections is even partially right, you need exactly the kind of network density being deployed right now to run it. Almost like they're all coordinated together, huh? I'm not saying that's the stated reason per se for every tower. I'm saying the timing and the technical capability line up in a way worth paying attention to. Now, and when we get to 6G, sensing your movements and heartbeats, check this out. Gotta love America, but here's a clip explaining how 6G works. And what it's designed to do should really make you pay attention. A growing body of peer-reviewed research published in journals like Nature, IEEE, and scientific reports on using radio frequency signals to detect human vital signs without any physical contact, heart rate, breathing, even subtle movement. Called millimeter wave radar vital sign detection. Become a major area of research because of its sensitivity and because it requires no physical sensor on the body. It's not even just specialized equipment. Researchers have already demonstrated vital signs during sleep using regular off-the-shelf Wi-Fi signals. There's active research specifically exploring 6G and Wi-Fi signal. And with AI to reconstruct things like your pulse waveform remotely, yeah. So here's the question nobody's asking. If this is the direction wireless infrastructure is heading, passive sensing built into the network you're already connected to every day, what does that mean for privacy? Everybody keeps wondering what the data centers have to do with all of it, and that's this part. Watch this. Now you've seen the towers collecting the data, you've seen the data centers storing it. Now let me explain what they actually do with it. Predictive modeling, the ability to take real-time data from millions of connected points and predict what's happening next. Not guess, predict. With enough data points, the math becomes that accurate. DARPA has published openly on predictive modeling for population behavior analysis. The World Economic Forum has published on smart city infrastructure and predictive governance. These are not leaked documents. They publish them themselves. I'm not saying that this is what's happening, but you could imagine a world with a bunch of robots around you that could literally predict your movements and sense your heartbeat, and yeah, not to mention the mark of the beast that they talk about, but that's neither here nor there. I love America, but I can't do this by myself. Like, share, do whatever you gotta do. You see what's happening. We have to do something about it. Wake up.